Yesterday, I decided to install a decoder in my DC N-Scale Kato Big Boy. Ultimately, everything is going well now, but I did run into some issues and concern during installing. I decided to go with a Digitrack, essentially because my soundtracks decoder messed up. So I'm gonna try to deal with the warranty and all that, but I'm going to make a longer video. But essentially, I think the most significant thing was the routing of the wires from the locomotive to the tender. First, you have to really got to break down everything, because you got to get to the motors to make sure you solder reliable, have a reliable solder. But if I had to go redo things, because I noticed that with the routing, it increased the minimum radius that I could run, and I saw that right away. So that's where I was like, yo, did I make the right decision to do this? But I thought, I'm saving at least $150. I'm not accounting for my time doing the install on my own. If I get if Soundtracks gives me a new decoder free of cost, then in the future I'm definitely gonna break this down again, just the tender, and put in the speaker in that sound decoder, because that's what I wanted essentially. I also decided to leave the front LED alone. It just seemed a bit too challenging to get two conductors all the way down there and solder to that PCB board, so the light is always on.